Good morning, my class 9th. So here myself, Rachna Kaushik, is again here with you to study about equations of motion. Equations of motion. Yes, so equations of motion we have studied graphically as well as algebraically. So first equation of motion is V is equals to U plus AT, S is equals to UT plus half AT square, and then V square equals to U square plus 2AS. So I think these equations of motion, now you are familiar with them. Yes, from last 3 classes we are studying them. So we have derived them algebraically, and in last class we had derived them graphically. So in this class also we will try to derive them graphically. Yes, so this is, which type of graph? Yes, this is velocity time graph we are doing. By drawing velocity time graph, we will get acceleration. Velocity in meter per second and time in seconds. So up to this, the object was at rest. And after this point, the object started to move. Yes, so just what you do? Mark it O, A, mark it A, B, yes, C and D. Marking you can do by your own choice. Yes, O, A, C, B, D. Got it? So here I am just deriving this one and this one. In last to last class I have derived this one. Even this one also I have derived. Now these both can be derived by only one formula. Yes. So what is it? Now what we are doing? We are deriving this and this equation. Got it? So now how we have derived? We have just given the formula of, yes, trapezium. So what is the total covered? Here this is a total part covered. Yes, this is a total part, the shaded portion. This is a total distance covered by the body. Yes, so the total distance covered by a body S is equals to area of trapezium. Yes, area of trapezium ODBA. ODBA. Got it? So S is equals to area of trapezium ODBA. Okay. So what is it? Half into sum of parallel sides. Then half sum of parallel sides into distance between them. Yes. Now S is equals to, who are parallel sides? This OA and this BA. These are parallel sides. So half into OD plus BA into distance between them. So they both have distance OA. So it is OA. Now S is equals to, we have to write terminology also. I think now you are familiar with it. It is U. This whole is V and this whole is T. Okay. So half, instead of OD I can write U. Instead of VA I can write V. Instead of OA I can write T. So up to here the things is same for these two equations. Up to here the derivation will be same for these both. Now from here it will change. Yes. Now this one, if we are deriving UT plus half AT square. Yes, if we are deriving S is equals to UT plus half AT square, then this one. What we will do after this? S is equals to half into U plus V into T. Now instead of V, write down U plus AT. Instead of V, write down U plus AT. Got it? Instead of V. So s is equals to half u into, instead of v, write down u plus at plus at into t as it is. Okay, now solve it algebraically. U plus u to u plus at into t. Yes, s is equals to half 2ut. Now this will be multiplied by this also. Yes, then again it will be multiplied by this also. Half at square. Now 2 and 2 got cancelled. So s is equals to ut plus half at square. Got it? You can just what you can do here, you can just increase one step from here. 2ut plus at square by 2. First multiply t, then multiply half. So when you are just deriving s is equals to u plus ut plus half at square, then you have to do this way. Now when you have to derive v square equals to u square plus 2as, then you will just do it in this way. Got it? What we got in last? S is equals to half into u plus v into t. Got it? So there we applied v is equals to u plus at, and here also what we will do, we will just find the value of t. Yes, so v is equals to u plus at, find the value of t. So v minus u is equals to at, and then it is v minus u upon a equals to t. So apply the value of t over here. S is equals to half into u plus v, then instead of t you can write v minus u upon a. So you can see they all are in multiplication. So you can write s is equals to u plus v, v minus u upon 2a. Got it? They are multiplication. Now students, if I write 1 plus 2, then I can write 2 plus 1 also. They both are equal. So instead of u plus v, I can write v plus u, because it will form the formula. S is equals to v plus u and then v minus u upon 2a. So now it became the formula. Which formula it is? A plus b, a minus b, which can be written as a square minus b square. So I can write v square minus u square. So s is equals to v square minus u square upon 2a, as it is, cross multiply it. So I'll get 2as is equals to v square minus u square. Shift this u square this side. So u square plus 2as is equals to v square. So this is how we derive the third one also. Now you can see for both the equations derivation, the things are same till this step. Till this steps it will be same. Now after this step, if we have to derive s is equals to ut plus half at square, then we do the value of v. If you have to derive v square equals to u square plus 2s, just apply the value of t. I hope you all are doing well and just learning these equations. I'm just trying to make it out more clear for you. That is why I'm revising this part again and again, because I know the derivations are very new thing for you all. Just do it well and you can practice them at home more and more.